Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another interesting video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to run a sales ad. So if you're looking forward to running an ad, right, in order to either push an ebook, you want to sell a product, you want to sell a service or anything, right? So this video is for you. I'm going to be showing you guys a step-by-step guide on how to run a sales ad effectively, right? So as you can see on my screen, I have a sales ad which I just set up for a client, which is Upwork Guide, and as you can see, I have my website tracking and so on. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to effectively set up a sales ad, how to run a sales ad, and what you should do in order to actually make sales, right? So the first thing you're going to do is, as usual, you have to use the ads manager, right? So just head up to ads manager, right, and hit enter. All right, so you should have an interface like this, right? So as you can see right here, I have a new sales campaign which I am presently running for the Upwork ebook, and as you can see, so far so good. I have an ad spend budget of 5,000 naira every day, and I have spent 4,049 naira, right? So I'm just going to be showing you guys the exact same thing I'm going to be doing if I want to run a sales ad for a brand and to get results, right? So the first thing I'm going to do is to click on create, right? So I'm going to go ahead and select the sales ad, right? So this sales campaign objectives, and then I'm going to click continue, right? So it's going to bring me to an interface where I'm going to be able to like set up my campaign properly, right? So right here we have where I'm going to put in my daily budget. So when it comes to budgeting, right, depends on how much you really want to spend for the ad. So if you're looking forward to spending maybe 30 to 35k per week on an ad, right, it's okay to literally budget 5,000 naira every day. But if you're looking forward to spend, maybe you have an ad budget of like 1 million naira in a month, then you can actually spend as good as 30k, 20k every day, right? So that means the higher the amount you're spending for the ad, right, the more results you're going to get. So you cannot compare someone is spending 1 million naira for ad and someone is spending 30k naira, right, for an ad every week. So this result definitely is going, the result is definitely going to vary, right? So right here I'm just going to put in an ad budget of, let's say, 10,000 naira, right, and then I'm going to scroll down and click continue. So you don't need to do any other thing here, just click next. All right, so right here we have ad set name and we have conversion, right? So if you're running a sales ad, it is very proper, right? You actually have a landing page, right? All right, so for the Upwork Guide, right, that I am running an ad for right now, I'm just going to show you guys the product we are trying to sell, right? So I'm just going to So here's the quick landing page we built for this sales ad, right, which was completely built on seller.com, right? So I'm just going to show you guys the exact same thing I did, right, in order to be able to start tracking sales, right, on this landing page, right? So I'm just going to go to my sales, I'm going to go to dashboard, and under dashboard I'm just going to locate my products, right? So I'm just going to scroll down and then come right to these three dots and come right here to products, right? So I'll come to all products, right? And as you can see, so far so good. This digital product, we have 2 sales already, right? So I'm just going to go to these 3 dots and then scroll down and come to integrations, right, and come to Facebook Pixel, right? So as you can see, I have installed the Facebook Pixel here. If you don't know how to get your Facebook Pixel, right, kindly go through my channel, right? I've created a video on how to set up a Facebook Pixel. So definitely that video is going to be very helpful and you'll be able to know how to get your Facebook Pixel, right, for proper tracking. So as you can see right here, I have my Facebook Pixel, right? So very good. I'm just going to go back to the ads I'm trying to create, right? Just going to be sure. Great. So for a sales ad, it is very important, right, to use a sales funnel, right? The reason why you are using a sales funnel for a sales ad is because you want users, right, who are seeing your ad, right, to be able to see details about that product you are selling, right? So it's more like if I'm pushing an ad for a brand, let's say they're into product like wears, right? Or we are selling a product that allows car functions well, right? So that sales landing page we are going to build, right, or we are going to set up, we tell them more about that product, right? We also tell them the benefits. We also tell them reasons why you should use that product, what is going to cost you if you're not using that product, and so on. So a sales funnel basically convince that user why they should buy that product from you. Then you can now tell them, okay, either click on the link to send a message on WhatsApp or purchase these two, right? So basically that is the essence of a sales funnel. So it is very important you have a sales funnel, right, before you run a sales ad, right? I know a lot of people also run sales ad and send that traffic to WhatsApp, but I can guarantee you it's really not as effective as setting your sales ad to run straight to your sales funnel, right? So we're going to choose conversion, location, website, performance goal, maximize number of conversion, right? Maximize number of conversion, maximize value of conversion. We'll try to show you how to people who will most likely generate higher value for your business, right? Right here we have maximize number of landing page views. So it's going to give you more landing page views, right, but less results. So right here we have maximize number of link clicks, right? So you just get more link clicks. So right here we have maximize daily unique reach. So this one says we will show your ad to people who are most likely to take specific action on your website. So that specific action, right, is more like if you are tracking a sales button, right, so that when, like, let's say for instance you are tracking a thank you page, right, on your sales funnel, right? So now Facebook will try as much as possible to show your ad to people who will most likely get to that page, right? So that's why it is very important you use maximize number of conversions, right? So right here we have conversion events, we have view content, right? We have ad payment, we have so many, right? So for this I have already installed a custom tracking which is called the Upwork ebook. I'm going to run you guys through how I did this, right? So to be able to run the custom tracking, right, as you can see we already have my Facebook ad pixel here, right? So all you just need to do is to locate your ads manager. Just come right here to these three dots, then go to the event manager, right? I'm just going to click on these three dots, and right here we have the event manager. All right, so right here as you can see we have over 308 last 28 days. So I've been able to track over 308 events, right? And this is because I have built several events, right, to track. So definitely that's why you're seeing total events, right? So this is the Facebook pixel I have installed, right, that I have set up on my ads manager, right? So right here we now have what we call custom conversion. So this is where I set the Upwork guide custom conversion. So all I just need to do is to come right here to create a conversion, right? And it's going to bring a dialog box that I will be able to like set up few things, right? So this is super easy, nothing like a mystery here. So all you just need to do is to put the name of what you are doing. Let's say if it's wears, just put wears here, wears, right? And right here we have events, right? So you can actually track all URL traffic, right? And the next thing you do is to select category. So right here we have a whole lot. So if it's complete registration you're hoping to achieve, but for a sales ad what you're trying to achieve is what? Purchase, right? So if you scroll down you should be able to see what we call purchase, right? So the next thing is to put the keyword of if it's your thank you page that you want to track. So you can just put thank you if this is the link of your thank you page, like you have your website domain /thank you, right? If it's .html or .p whatsoever, put it there, right? If there's anything called receipts, there's a keyword in that URL taking them to your thank you page, just insert them here, and after that you go ahead and click on create, right? right, then you're good to go. So all you just need to do is to go ahead and visit that thank you page, and your event will start tracking that specific page, right? So I'm just going to come right here. As you can see, we already select the Upwork ebook. So right here we have standard and so on. So right here we have start date and end date. So we have countries, we have Nigeria. So when it comes to your audience control, I already created a video on how to run a Facebook ad effectively, right? So you can go through that YouTube video to see what kind of how to do audience research, right, for your ad, right? So right here we have ad transparency, we have all these suggested ads and so on, right? So scroll down. So as you can see, it's already giving me the suggestion ad, and this is because I have this video on my on my page, right? So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on next, right? So the goal is to actually teach you how to run a sales ad effectively, right? So right here we have new sales ad, and right here we have Facebook page. So this is the Facebook page. So I will just go ahead and select content from my page in order to push these ads on, right? But please always make sure you do audience research, right, for every ad you want to run. It is very, very important to know who you are targeting, right? The kind of people you are targeting, their behavior, and I break that in details, right, in my previous video on how to run Facebook ad. Please make sure you check that video in order to understand how to push this your ads to the right person, to the right people, so you'll not be wasting money on ads, right, and not getting results, right? So I'm just going to select this and click on continue, right? So I'm just going to wait for this video to load at the right hand side. As you can see, it's loading. So all you just need to do right here, you see where you can add your landing page URL, right? So this is where you want them to fall in, right? So as you can see, we have call to action, right? And this is because I already add call to action to this video, right? So your browse add-on, make sure you deactivate WhatsApp and use none, right? You get, so basically if you can do all these, right, you are very, very good to start running your sales ads, right? Make sure you put the website link you want them to land on, right? And make sure your browser add-on is none, because you don't want to complicate your user on the kind of action you want them to take, right? And make sure that your source URL should also carry your final landing page link. That's your landing page link, right? So guys, this is basically how to run a Facebook sales ads effectively. So what is more important when we are running ads is to make the money we are running ads with, right, and also make profits, right? So if you want to book a one-on-one consultation with me and you want us to talk about how we can change the entire game, right, of your ads, right, or you want us to help handle your business ads and so on, right, I'm just a DM away. Check the description of this video, you'll find a link, right? You can actually have access to me on WhatsApp, right, and also a call line, right, if you want to reach out to me, right? So this is the end of this video. Please make sure you smash the subscribe button, like this video and share so other people can benefit from these videos. See you guys in my next video. Bye for now.